Hello, let me to introduce myself. My name is Marcus Parede as the chairman of this group 10 and as the moderator of this presentation. And previously I want to introduce my friend who also the part of this team.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Axel Arkindowitz name 422011057 as mechanical.
My name is Rizkyo Sepasi Hombing. My name is 4202022 I'm in charge of the electrical parts.
Alright, on this screen we can see the timeline of our project. We start with the introduction of component. At this stage, we take about 2 weeks to understand of the types and function of component both from their properties which are very sensitive to object or action. And secondly, we start to make a schematic of our robot on manual drawings on paper, rigging the position of the component in their physical form, connecting jumper cables to other components. And the last, we made a plan to start understanding, designing in our hockey robot program. Here we can see that on the slide the evidence of the process of working on our project. And in this slide is a form or description of the introduction the component that we understand, where there is an Arduino, jumper cable, battery and battery holder, flat like sensor module, limit switch, motor driver, wheel, DC motor gearbox, IRC receiver, breadboard, bar caster, spacer for pieces, and support our boards as square.
Okay, here you can see two parts of the hockey robot base with the same size, which is 20 cm high and 20 cm wide. Next, here we have made a three-dimensional robot base using SolidWorks. That is all from us, and thank you.
This is our wiring design motor driver circuit. Use the freezing application. Parts still a program reference for us because we have to put the component layout in the past first. In this section, I describe the target that have been achieved and the target that we will do. In mechanical part, the target we have achieved, namely, first, create a design, use SolidWorks application. The second, smoothing texture and symmetricality best. And the third, cutting the best according to the size of the pass. And the next target from mechanical parts, namely is initialization of all components to pass. PIC from mechanical is the Axel Arkindo. Next, in electrical part, the target we have achieved, namely, design the placement of the frame on the base. And the next target in electrical part is wiring or connection the whole circuit with a jumper cable. And PIC from electrical is the Rizkyo Sepasi Hombing. Technician in programming parts, the target we have achieved, namely learning the Arduino program. And next target, we will make programming Arduino with a component in the Arduino application. So PIC from this part is the Marcus Pardede. Thank you.
slide terakhir ini kami membuat problem solving atau permasalahan yang kami alami selama progres pembuatan robot hoki, baik dalam electrical, mechanical, dan program, dan akan dijelaskan oleh PIC masing-masing.
So now it's my part. My part is electrical, and I tell about problem solving, my experience along my project. Okay, so we got problems. It is difficulty determine the layout of components. Causes about problem. It is too many components, and then resolution about problem. It is create a robot shape simulation design, and then next problems. It is electrical connection between components. Causes about that problems. It is types and size of power from the capacity of components. Resolution about our problems. It is studying the properties of the functioning of components.
Technique mechanical problems and student semester code. Caution, negligence, not meticulous. Resolutions, modify the decision to be something and something.
On the program, problem is an error occurs, the value does not appear, the component does not run as the pair of the program, and because not knowing the function and types of the program code and resolution, are trying to program the Arduino library along with the required components. And this PIC is my name is Marcus.